How to create a survey in Monday.com 2025. In this video, we're going to be quickly talking about Monday.com and how you're going to be able to create a survey for yourself in the easiest way. And obviously, if you want to use Monday.com, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to get started off right away. Now, to create a survey for yourself, what you're going to do is when you're in your board, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the plus icon over here where it says add view, and you're going to go over to form. Now, once you click on form here, it's going to bring you to this section where you're simply going to go ahead and create a form for yourself. So to edit this form, you're going to click on edit form up here. And once we click on edit form right down here, you can add logos for yourself, whatever logos you want. Then as you scroll down, you can add your very own fields. So to make it into a survey, what you can do is you can, add questions for yourself. So let's say right over here, you can go ahead and have a single select, question over here, and you can write, how do you feel about, the new software, something like that, creating a survey for your team or maybe for your workspace, etc. And then you can obviously go ahead and add options for yourself. And once you have created a survey that you like, what you can simply do from there is you can switch over to settings, make sure all the settings are cleared out. And once that is done, you can move back to view. And as you can see, that is how you're going to be creating a survey for yourself in Monday.com. So that is all there is for this video. Thank you for watching till the end. Do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel. And again, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to get yourself started off with Monday.com right away. Thank you for watching all the way till the end. I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.